Right on, as India steps into the 13th day of lockdown, India Inc. has started to feel the heat and they've started to issue gloomy business forecasts as well. Varun is joining us to tell us what exactly is SBI Cards and companies like GCPL are flagging off. Varun?
Yeah, hi Karanya, good morning. So firstly, all sectors are hit by coronavirus, but credit card spends especially so because people go out and these are physical transactions that are really losing out. That's also what you get from the recent publication which the company put out. If you want to look at the online sales, it actually saw a spike on the day of lockdown, and then for a week following, there was really high volumes as a lot of people were using online portals to try and procure various essentials that they need. But now that demand seems to be tapering off, which is the real scare, when discretionary spends come down. Because especially low average ticket size credit card users, let's say guys who have a 25, 30,000 salary, they're only going to go out and swipe their card when they have surplus cash lying around. They're not really going to use it for essentials. So, while there is a bit of silver lining there with the online, overall demand has definitely been impacted. Now, why this is so bad for SBI Cards is because you IPO'd this business at 45, 50 times multiples, right? So when you give a very high multiple, the only way you can justify it, or even the investment bankers can justify it, is by industry size and the growth rate. Now, SBI Cards growth rate was 100% year on year for the last 2-3 years. So people said, okay, fine, we can give it a 45 multiple because every 2 years or a year, the multiple keeps halving if the growth continues. Now, with the profit warning coming in, you really don't know what that growth rate can be. And if it's 10, 12 times, even after the way SBI Cards has cracked, it's still trading at 30 times earnings. So it's very expensive. So we'll be catching up with the management later on this week, I'm sure, to get all these clarified for us. But right now, on the face of it, profit warning has been issued and doesn't look too good for the company.
Sure. Thanks, Varun, for that update. With that, we're out of time on this edition of the show, so we're going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching.